Welcome to Computer and Account Information, Single Sign-On, SSO. Let's go over the agenda for this video. We will be discussing multi-factor authentication or MFA. It is a security technology that has a user provide 2 or more credentials to log in. Then we will take a closer look at Duo Mobile, the MFA used at UCOP. Most UC Path programs and applications require you to log in with your single sign-on, SSO. This is your UCOP username and password. This is provided to employees, normally by HR, when beginning a new position. Multi-factor authentication. At UCOP, for an extra layer of protection, we use a mobile app called Duo Mobile. Duo keeps your data and UCOP's data safe. Let's install Duo Mobile. Grab your cell phone and go to your App Store. Search for Duo Mobile and install. Be sure to allow for notifications. Now that you have installed Duo Mobile, let's learn about the Duo push and clicking Approve. Let's take a look at an example. Open the Mozilla Firefox browser. In the Bookmarks bar, you will find a folder labeled UC Favorites. Scroll down to UCOP0365 and click to open the Outlook web app login page. You will now be prompted to sign in. Type in your username and password, also known as your single sign-on, and then click Sign In. Next, you'll be asked if you would like a push or passcode. We recommend having Duo send you a push. Then be sure to check the box to have Duo remember you for 12 hours. You will now check your cell phone for the Duo push. Open the Duo app on your phone and approve the push. You will now be prompted to trust the browser. Click Yes, Trust Browser. The Outlook web app will now open to display your email. There are, however, a few things to note. You will be asked to authenticate once during your initial log on to any browser-based application that uses single sign-on. You will not be required to re-authenticate for a full workday in that browser, provided you keep your browser open or check the Remember Me for 12 hours box. Some applications, such as UC Path Online, may require authentication every time they are opened. Let's review. Multi-factor authentication is used to keep data private and requires users to have 2 or more credentials to log in. At UCOP, we use Duo Mobile as our MFA. Use your single sign-on, SSO, to log on to an app or page. Have Duo send you a push to your cell phone, check Remember Me for 12 hours, and click Approve on your phone. Thank you for watching Computer and Account Information, Single Sign-On, SSO.